how to add WhatsApp Meta AI widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on widgets. From here, scroll down again, then open up WhatsApp. Now, if you do not see WhatsApp, you need to install the WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Okay, so open up WhatsApp, then go down and drag the Meta AI widget, touch and hold, and then drag it and drop it onto your home screen. And here we can resize it to make it larger or smaller. Touch and hold on the widget will allow you to remove it. So here I have already added a copy before. And to use it, simply you can just tap on it to start the conversation. Or you can simply tap on this talk button to talk to Meta AI. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.